You, Evan. An 18-year-old man accused of beating up another teenager and then boasting about it by Twitter was in Butte County court today. So were the parents of the man recovering from serious injuries to his face. Here's KRCR News Channel 7's Jerry O'Lennon.
Rodney Freeman was in court this morning accused of beating up 19-year-old Daniel Chesterman near downtown Chico back in February. Chesterman's parents made the 3-hour drive from their home in Livermore to be here.
Is this the first time you saw the defendant in person?
Yes.
What was that like?
The pit of my stomach, I felt sick. Sad.
Judge Stephen J. Howell will decide in August if there is enough evidence to have Freeman stand trial on a charge of battery with serious bodily injury. At first, the police called the fight mutual combat, no charges. That was before KRCR unearthed this tweet from Freeman shortly after the incident. In it, the 18-year-old boasted, "I literally collapsed half of someone's face last night. # news of the day." Nearly 5 months after the attack, Chesterman still has no feeling on the left side of his face.
And then the eyelid keeps rotating back into the eye and causing problems. And then, his nose hasn't been fixed.
Freeman's attorney says his client was acting in self-defense. But if he's found guilty, a prosecutor told me it's very likely Freeman will spend some amount of time behind bars.
Well, I think it ought to be long enough to make sure that it avoids this happening again to some other kid. I can't do anything for my son. I mean, my son is going to have to deal with, whatever he's got in terms of problems with the eye. But I'd like it to be enough of a deterrent that he doesn't do it again.
Not at the courthouse today. Daniel Chesterman, who hasn't been in Chico since the incident back in February. But pending a plea deal, he'll return here to testify against his alleged attacker. In Orville, Jerry O'Lennon, KRCR News Channel 7.